This tutorial shows you how to check if you've unfriended someone or if they're still on your list. First, open the Snapchat app on your device. After that, tap on the search icon at the top. From there, type in the username or name of the person you want to check. At this point, tap on their profile once it appears in the results. In the next step, look at the button below their name. Following this, if it says Add Friend, that means you're no longer friends with them. Once done, if it says Message or Chat instead, that means you're still connected as friends. From here, you can also check this directly from your friends list without searching. At this stage, open your profile, tap on My Friends, and scroll through the list to see who's currently there. Keep in mind, Snapchat doesn't keep a record or history of people you've unfriended in the past, so this method only shows your current friend status, not a log of removals. Finally, exit back to your home screen once you've confirmed their status. And that's it. If this guide helped you check if you're still friends with someone on Snapchat, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.